Filmmaker Chung here. In this video I'm going to show you how to achieve a slider shot with a Zhiyun gimbal. This here is the Zhiyun Smooth 3. This is a nice simple gimbal, but also of course this technique is also usable with the heavier gimbals. So this technique I've actually developed over a certain time, and also released several videos that I've shot in Japan and Hong Kong with a phone gimbal to show you that it's pretty nice technique to use to get simple slider shots. So you don't always need to use a gimbal just for walking shots and orbiting shots around an object and using it for time lapse. You can also get it to use as a slider without needing any additional gear. So literally the only thing what you need is a Zhiyun gimbal or any other gimbal, and a camera, and yourself of course. So this technique is pretty much something you need to train also, but it's not that hard to achieve. So the main thing is have your arm fully stretched. While stretching it, it's actually locking your arms down. And also another thing is to have your camera orientated to a certain position. Hit the mode dial or hit the mode button or a lock on the certain gimbals. You have like now a lock button, but on the most of the Zhiyun gimbals we hit mode just once, and now it's locked. So when we twist it, it always keeps aim at that direction. So now we're going to hold it in this way, so it's actually slightly angled, and we're going to stretch our arm, hold it with both our hands, and we're not moving it with our arms. We're going to move our upper body, and we are enabled to get like a slider shot. So this technique, by stretching our arms, we're able to hold it much better in like a certain height, and also keep it quite nice at that height, and then use our upper body to rotate, and we can actually do it very slowly to get a nice slider shot. And this technique makes it quite easy and much quicker to do a slider shot, so you can do it quite at a different height also. So this technique makes it easier to do a slider shot and much faster to do a slider shot, so you don't need to set up anything else, just have yourself doing this movement. So you might think for a lightweight setup this is handy. However, if you have like the Crane 2 with a heavier camera, having your arm fully stretched holding it would be much heavier. Yes, that is true, but for that I have like a different method. So for the heavier gimbals, I would suggest to add the extra feet on the bottom to extend the handle a bit more, and instead of holding it far away, we're going to put this feet here against our chest. This enables like a third point of contact, but also enables you to, instead of having your arm fully stretched, we're going to hold it down like this. So hold the arms also close to your body, and we're just literally going to lock it down against our chest. So also the same thing, put it in lock mode first. So we're going to hit M to lock it down. Now I'm going to put this against my chest, and now we're going to move our upper body from left to right, and also can do it at a lower angle or a slightly higher angle. So this technique makes it easier to do a slider shot without having to need a slider, and makes it much quicker to get a slider kind of shot when you are filming an event without needing to set up a big slider. Just enable you to get that shot much quicker and get the shot that you need. So hopefully you guys find this video quite educational. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.